So today is not for the unscrupulous so-called friends that I thought I had. I will deal with Uno on the podcast, and I am going to clot Uno on a stinking mama. Everybody. Okay?
Foota hype fresh out of jail and back on the internet, people. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. So, we all know that Foota been locked up for like the last 4 months, right? But him finally there road again, people. And the question I go around say, where Foota there? Foota get deported to Jamaica or Foota in America said we. Well, Foota go live today and Foota tell you know where him there and him a talk about it. So, make we see where Foota deal with, Zine.
I not stay long. I just forward for telling you, say, Foota hype is out and about and he's in America. Love Jamaica to my heart. Never switch on Jamaica. I'll give you the full details of all of that. A whole heap of things we have to talk about, you know. You understand? Because remember me say ancestors, you know. And me still in America. You have some people who say Jesus and them now have no visa now. So we have a whole heap of things to talk about. Remember somebody when me get locked up, one of them keep party and say me for dead, me forget deport and everything. And God let me out and put them in. So we have a whole heap to talk about. Okay? We got a lot to discuss.
Alright, people, now no years the Foota is in America. Now Foota have a bunch of things to talk about. Or him talk about a bunch of things where I can't put in another video, right? So I have a long live where I can go to the link to go watch that if you don't want. Seeing? But let's just run through some of the things them where Foota say. So now Foota say, you know, him find out who real from who not real. You know what I mean? Him big up a bunch of people before that. You see me I say, and him say, all of the people on him live will miss him, you know what I mean? People turn out for see Foota, you see me I say, well, heap of people did on the live and thing. But Foota say, basically like, him there jail, and it happened that him, they want to put him in a cell with a man we identify as a woman and him not depend that. So him asks for go isolation. And when him got isolation, Corona broke out in the jail. So him they already safe. And that him say, see me I say. So him I say, him ancestors them show him the way and work that out that way there, make him safe from the general population so Corona never trouble him. Him never have to worry about Corona. Now from that now, Foota hype say some people are rejoicing. Me here all selector keep dance and all these things and now them they are jail and him they are road. Me no know exactly who that. Now him say Wednesday or Tuesday or Wednesday, him a go release a podcast, people. And him a go give you the information as how we can hear the podcast, right? And it's gonna cover him story, me know that in it. And him say him a go clot some people. Him say him feel like friend or foe. Some people show up themselves while him get locked up. Some people when he expect to share back him petition and them thing there, never shared for him. So we don't know who people just wait for see when the podcast drop for understand who Foota talk about. Right? But more for say this though in the meantime though. I'm glad for say him the back pan road. I'm glad for know say America in there. Right? Now him also cloud some people I say vlogger put out story and I say him there Jamaica. And him I say the people him never met say airport lock and nobody can really fly go Jamaica. You know you can't get deep to Jamaica right now. So him a glad the viewers them for that and I say them give the vloggers them power for make them can report them thing there. You see me? Him say him set up that. Him a say him put out him unlock it, put out something and somebody run with it. You see me? I know what heap of say, you know, we can't go watch it live like me say. You know? We can't go watch it live and see the full story. But overall, the last thing he must say before him get off, him say him will clot some people. You see me? And him say him is back and him is back to stay. You see me? Him give them the place to run for 4 months and them could run it. So the viral king is back, people. Yeah, so let's just take a little bit more, let's look on a little bit more of where Foota have to say. And then we are going to just check out. You see me?
How can you trust a source that cannot be true to themselves? Una follow somebody information where you never see yet. Them so scared of themselves, them can't show them own face. But you are going to take what them say and run with it against somebody. Are you crazy? How you are going to do that?
Yeah, I can.
Oh, you gonna do that? Me suppose to can take off my glasses, so, and look for my fans them and tell them say, miss straight. Me not eat crutches and me not do butter. Me supposed to can't do that. Now, if somebody can't even show them face, that means them have more insecurities than you where them attack to, you know. You don't realize that. And it amazes me how people are follow lose information just because it's negative. If a positive, yo, if it's positive information on a repost, may I do a petition for try get release and Kerry ask people for repost it. And I can count the people that I repost. And I can count the people that I expect for repost or never repost.
Alright, so now hear what the viral king has say for himself people. So do remember him say the podcast are gonna go on. And again, if you wanna watch the full live, I'm gonna put the link in the first comment so you can click on it, right? So yeah, people, wanna big up on yourself, and if it's your first time on this page, please subscribe, right? If you haven't done so already, and if you're watching on Facebook, you know what I mean, please follow the page for daily updates. Thank you.